At AZ Spa, we've dedicated ourselves to perfecting grinding solutions for the aerospace industry. Imagine machines custom built for precision maintenance, repair, and overhaul of essential aircraft parts, especially landing gear for both civilian and defense fleets. How do we do it? We bring together multiple grinding techniques: external, internal, orbital, complex conical profiling, thread cutting, and superfinishing, all within one powerful solution. This means unmatched versatility for components with various coatings like tungsten carbide, chrome, and plating. Our commitment to quality starts with our team. Our experienced technicians, collaborating closely with top-tier suppliers, ensure every part and process meets the highest OEM standards. Leading aerospace brands trust and test our components. Before we even begin, our engineers meticulously simulate your specific grinding process. This ensures you get a solution that's not just good, but optimized for your exact production requirements. Experience the difference of dedicated aerospace grinding.